Hey, what's up? I just wanted to go over something pretty quick. Product I found on Amazon, as you can see, and there's a few reasons why I want to say you should avoid it. If you're a new drummer, or if you're thinking about buying something for somebody to sit on as a stool, you absolutely want to avoid this. It's a piece of trash in every way, and I'll show you what I bought. I'll take it out of the box and set it up and stuff real quick, and see if it's any better, because I got it pretty cheap too. That one was 30 bucks. This one was probably like, I think, 19 bucks. And there's a few reasons here. Let me show you. As you can see underneath, it's splitting. It's really cheaply made. You can see how it's splitting here too, on the inside, right across the rim there. The seat itself isn't too bad, but I do want to show you something here. You can see, I don't know what that's supposed to be, what that's supposed to stop. This is stop it from going down, because let's see. It's like a stopper, right? But it doesn't stop in time, because if you look closely, this goes further down than this does. So it sits on the ground like this and wobbles because the feet don't even touch the floor, and it just scratches the floor terribly. Scratches it. And even if you set it up like this, it'll last a while, but eventually it wiggles down, and then because it doesn't get tight enough, and then opens up, and once again you're scratching the floor. It's terribly made. This should have probably been an inch higher, I think, because when I do that, set it up about an inch and then tighten it, it kind of sits okay. But this is terrible. You get what you pay for. Chromacast right there. That's the brand to stay away from. So that's garbage. I'll show you what I did get. Never really heard of this brand before, Abdurrahma. But I opened the top up to see what's inside. It looked like a lot of foam. I didn't take it out yet. That's what this kind of looks like. I don't know if this is packing foam or what. Let's see. Let's take this out. That's what I ordered. Some sort of space generator. I don't get it. Is this it? Do I pull it apart? This is how they ship it. This is weird. That's weird. I assume that's non-toxic. I'm going to open this up. Anything else? What the hell? I think that's it. What was that? I see some particles flying around now. Just gave myself a cut too. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, let's open this up. Well, that's better quality already. Oh wow, it's an actual seat. This looks pretty sturdy. I've seen this metal before. Doesn't look like the strongest metal. Some sort of zinc alloy kind of cheapness. But okay. Drop everything on my feet. The bottom part. Pretty simple so far. Set up. H and A. Whatever that means. Let's see how this. Watch. Let's see. Open this up. That's kind of strange here. See how there's a stopper there? What is this? This looks kind of bent. Is that bent? Is that supposed to be like that? That looks kind of bent. I might have to bend that back in place. So you see how the feet extend much longer than the middle piece? That's cool. And we got that. It's the magical flute comes with. This is one magical flute. There you go. It's pretty simple so far. I could probably do it right here. Take the washer off. That in there. It's square side. Square on there, on the inside, just underneath the head. So you want to put that in there. Just put this to the other side. There we go. Put the little washer back on there. Pick up the piece that dropped. Right, that goes there. Like so. This has a wing nut here. It simply goes on top. That's pretty simple. And you just tighten it there. There you go. That's what it looks like so far. It's the height all the way up. Oh wow, that's fantastic. Wow. Nice. All right. Well, there you go. Don't buy the Chromacast. Buy this one instead.